Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderfully weird world of FFmpeg, specifically the FFmpeg by Example website. It's a treasure trove of, well, examples. Think of it as the ultimate FFmpeg cookbook, but way cooler.
Ooh, I'm already excited. So what makes this site so special? Is it just a bunch of random FFmpeg commands?
Oh, far from it. It's meticulously organized, showcasing diverse FFmpeg applications. They've got everything from basic encoding tasks to mind-bending video effects. Think of it as a curated collection of the most creative and useful FFmpeg commands. A real goldmine for video and audio manipulation.
I see. So what kind of examples are we talking about? Give me the juicy bits.
Well, for starters, there's this amazing example of creating an erratic camera movement effect using the crop filter. It's pure magic, using sine waves to create this unsettling, yet strangely captivating camera shake. The command itself is a thing of beauty, a testament to FFmpeg's power and flexibility.
Whoa, sine waves? That's hardcore. And what about other examples? Anything for the less mathematically inclined among us?
Absolutely. They've got examples for everything from converting OGG to M4A for your iPod, remember those? To copying metadata between MP3 files. They even have one on extracting multiple video clips from a single input file. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your media files.
That's incredibly useful. I bet there are some really niche examples too, right? I mean, this is FFmpeg we're talking about.
You bet. There's one that lets you analyze video frames, time codes, and metadata using the Show Info filter. It's like getting a deep dive into the inner workings of your video file. And another one shows you how to list all the supported audio and video encoders. Very handy for planning your projects.
This is seriously impressive. So is it just a website, or is there a community aspect to it?
Oh yes, there's a thriving Discord community. They even encourage contributions. If you've got a cool FFmpeg trick, you can share it with the world. And they even accept donations. For coffee. Because who doesn't love coffee while battling with FFmpeg commands?
Haha, I can relate to that. So basically, FFmpeg by Example is a must-visit for anyone working with FFmpeg, regardless of their skill level. It's a fantastic resource. I'm definitely checking it out.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic resource, a testament to the power of community-driven documentation. And remember, if you're feeling adventurous, why not contribute your own FFmpeg masterpiece? Until next time, this has been Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.